Hey everyone, I've been working on this wireless sensor node for a while now, and so this is the transmitter of the wireless sensor node, and this is the receiver of it. I'm using the accelerometer over here as a sensor. So what you see here is an accelerometer, and over here you see the transmitter over here that transmit the signals of the readings of accelerometer through the Arduino, and here we have the antenna. So what happens is the accelerometer connected to the Arduino transmit the readings of X, Y, Z axis to the analog inputs over here. So these are the three analog lines that send X, Y, Z and X, Y, Z axis analog readings. Those will be transmitted through the data line that you see here uh, to the receiver that transmit those signals. And after the transmission is done, it is received by the receiver over here, and after the signals are received, it sends them to the board that controls these LEDs. So since we are using an accelerometer, we have a complete control over the X and Y axis. So in this case, what I did is I've given the X axis to these two LEDs, and the changes in the Y axis will be shown in these two LEDs. Like it depends on the amount of the angle that I tilt this board. So if I may show this working, as I plug this Arduino board. Okay. Okay, so Arduino board is plugged into the power supply, and even this board is connected to 5 volt DC current, and so these are the four LEDs that I have here. Uh, this and this indicates the changes in the x-axis, and this change indicate the changes in the y-axis. So you can see that since there is a little angle, it's not that I'll be holding the board completely parallel to the ground. There is a little angle made, so it is showing some fluctuations in the light. And now if I'll tilt my board slightly forward, you can see that the forward light glows, and the intensity or the brightness of the forward line depends on how much is the angle that I'm tilting my board. So the more I tilt, the more will be the brightness, and the less I tilt, the less will be the brightness. And if I tilt it back way, the back LED goes on. And again here the brightness depends on the angle that I tilt. I can see that the right and the left LEDs keep blinking because I am making some horizontal angle too, so that's why they keep tilting. So now if I tilt it towards the right side LED goes bright, and I tilt towards the left side LED goes bright, left LED goes bright. Okay. Now I'm simply rotating the board, and you can see that the LEDs are glowing depending on how I rotate it. And even it varies its brightness depending on the angle of rotation. If the angle is too critical, then the brightness is too much, and if the angle is slightly lesser, the brightness is a little less. Let's go anti-clockwise now. It's not a complicated circuit. It's very simple program that has been put into this and this. You will find the link of this code um, in the following link. So you could just download the code that I've written, and you can put it inside your board that you may create. So that's it. Thank you.